Have you ever felt like keeping your digital life safe is not so easy? With all the news about hacks and scams, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But here's a secret. Protecting your online world doesn't have to be a tech wizard's job. It's about taking a few simple, smart steps that anyone can follow. Let us think of your digital life like a home. You wouldn't leave your front door wide open, right? Digital security is kind of the same. It's about locking those digital doors and windows. This complete beginner's checklist is your friendly tutorial to making your online life much safer, one easy step at a time. By following along, you'll learn to make your online life much safer, building confidence one simple action at a time. Check this list to see how digitally safe you are. Your passwords are the first line of defense for almost everything you do online. You need to make them super secure. Imagine each online account, like your email, social media, banking, are doors, and they have their own special key. Don't use the same key for every door. A strong password is at least 12 characters long and mixes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Do not do easy guesses like password 123 or your birthday. Sadly, even with all the warnings, a lot of people still reuse passwords across multiple online accounts. This is your digital life's bodyguard. MFA means that even if someone gets your password, they still can't get into your account. After entering your password, you'll get a second verification step, like a code sent to your phone or a fingerprint scan. According to Microsoft, MFAs can block over 99.9% of automated cyber attacks. Turn it on for everything important: email, banking, social media. Take a moment to review the privacy and security settings on your social media, email, and other online accounts. Limit what information is public, especially for personal details. Make sure you only share what you're comfortable with. This is rule number 1 for email safety. If an email looks even a tiny bit off, don't click on links or open attachments. Hover your mouse over links, without clicking, to see where they really go. If it's not what you expect, delete it. Remember, phishing, tricking you via email, is still the most common way attackers try to get into systems. Even if an email looks like it's from your boss, your bank, or a friend, double check. Look closely at the email address. Is it exactly right, or is there a tiny typo? If it's asking for money or sensitive info, a quick phone call to the person, using a number you know is correct, not one from the email, is a smart move. This software acts like a security guard for your computer, constantly scanning for and removing malicious programs, malware, viruses, ransomware. Make sure it's from a reputable company and always kept up to date. Criminals often try to get you to reveal information by asking questions or engaging you in conversation. If something feels odd or too good to be true, it probably is. Never share personal information, passwords, or financial details via email or insecure messaging apps. Your digital tools are also important and need to be secured. Your laptop, smartphone, and tablet all need to be well suited up too. Think of software updates as regular tune-ups and security patches for your devices. They fix weaknesses that cybercriminals love to exploit. Many attacks happen because people are using old software with known holes. Set your devices and apps to update automatically if possible. IBM verifies that outdated software vulnerabilities contribute to a significant percentage of successful cyber attacks. Don't leave your digital windows open. Your smartphone holds a ton of personal information. Always use a strong passcode, PIN, or biometric security, fingerprint, Face ID, to unlock it. Be careful about what apps you download and only get them from official app stores. This is your ultimate safety net. Imagine if your computer suddenly stopped working or got hit by ransomware. Your digital life could be at risk. Having a recent backup of your important documents, photos, and files means you won't lose everything. Use an external hard drive or a reputable cloud backup service. Public Wi-Fi networks at coffee shops, airports, and hotels are often unsecured. This means that anyone on the same network could potentially eavesdrop on your online activity. Avoid doing sensitive tasks like online banking or shopping when connected to public Wi-Fi. https://www.ibm.com/docs/n/mass360. Topic == detections insecure Wi-Fi. Make sure your home Wi-Fi network has a strong, unique password, not the default one that came with the router. Also, ensure it uses WPA2 or WPA3 encryption for better security. This keeps your home network safe. A VPN is like a secure private tunnel for your internet connection. It encrypts your data, making it much harder for anyone to snoop on your online activity, especially when you're using public Wi-Fi. It adds an extra layer of privacy and security to your internet browsing. Think before you click, share, or download. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Be wary of tempting offers, urgent messages, or shocking news articles that ask you to click on links or download files. Criminals use these hooks. Recognize social engineering tricks. Remember, attackers often play on your emotions: curiosity, fear, urgency, or even helpfulness. If a message tries to rush you or makes you feel pressured, that's a huge red flag. Keep personal information private. Be careful about how much personal information you share online, especially on social media. Attackers can use these details to craft more convincing scams against you. Stay informed. Cybersecurity is always evolving. Spend a little time reading up on new threats and best practices. Knowing what's out there helps you prepare, and a little reading does not hurt at all. Now, if you're ready to strengthen your cybersecurity skills and protect yourself online, I have a free resource for you. Download our free security checklist at Teleris.com. It's packed with simple, actionable steps to help you stay safe and build your knowledge. Want more personalized help? You can request a free consultation with our cybersecurity experts. Or if you're curious how Teleris works in real time, just ask for a demo through our contact form. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.